Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you guys doing well. It's a 57 Chevy 150. Started off with this day before Valentine's Day. And I have a few cars to show you tonight. Of course, it's all muscle cars and classics. And this one I really like to tuck down on the turntable now. It's a beautiful piece. This was on Hot Wheels 100%. And I like the colors on this too. It's really a beautiful casting. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Before the video ends, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. I don't do any racing. I just do mostly showing off my cars, and that's just about it. And then unboxing, of course, when I have the funds to pay for them. So guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Alright guys. Next one's a Pontiac GTO. 67. This is a real beautiful casting. And big fan of the Pontiac GTOs. I love these. I mean, there's so many muscle cars I love, but I really like these Pontiac GTOs as well. Really nice casting. I like the color of this too. It's real nice. Hope you guys are enjoying this. And go ahead and go to the next one. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Next one's also a Pontiac GTO. It's a 69 Pontiac GTO. Oops, sorry guys. There we go. That's better. This one's real nice casting. I like the color on this one as well. Really nice. It's a real nice casting. I like the colors too. Color blends. Playing off the other cars while the video's going, so I like these cars to be nice and clean when I show them off. Nobody likes to go to a car show and see mud on the cars or dust on the cars. Please wash me. And Mike Dyson, if you see this video, turtle wax, buddy. Haha, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, guys, get a chance, check out Mountain 66 Hot Wheels Todd. He has great videos. He has cars just like I do. And other than a lot of my friends on here on YouTube, we all have the same passion for muscle cars and Hot Wheels in general. Everybody's a little different, you know, with their favorites, but that's okay. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Alright guys, next one, 69 Ford Torino Talladega. This one's a gorgeous casting. I love this. Slam too. Pretty low. The paint's kind of screwed up on the bottom there on the lower part of the door. You see it now? It looks really good. Go to the other side. You can see it looks like it's been scuffed up, but that's alright. Still like it. Really beautiful to look at. The wheels don't roll at all. Or stiffies. Anyway, guys, like these Ford Torino Talladegas and even Ford Torinos in general. These are really nice castings. I really like these a lot. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next car. Alright guys, next one's also a Ford Torino. Yep, 69 Ford Torino Talladega in red. I like this casting a lot as well. It's real nice, fire engine red. Really like them now. It's pretty slammed like the white one. Like the color too. Black hood. Alright guys, let's go to the next side. And I'll go ahead and go to the next car. Alright guys, next one. 55 Chevy. I don't understand why the windows are blacked out on this one. I don't know why they didn't put them. It makes me think of the Maestos, or whatever, however you say them. But I like this one, but I wish they would have had see-through windows to see the inside. But I love the color of this 55 Chevy. Not real crazy about the rims though. I'm pretty much old school. I love the old Keystones and the Krager SST rims. Pretty sweet looking casting. I like the old 53 to 56s. I'm not crazy about the 57 Chevys. My favorite year is the 53. 55 and 56 are my three favorites. Alright guys, go to the next side. We'll go to the next one. Already on 8 minutes. 57 Chevy. I have probably about 4 of these. Pretty nice castings though. Really like them. Like the color of this one too. Like I said, I'm not real big on the 57s. More on the older models. It's a sweet casting though. I do like them. Alright guys. One more time around the driver's side and we'll go to the next car. Alright. Let's go to the next one. Tail dragger. Whoops. I love this one right here. Love these tail draggers. Really, really sweet looking castings. Make me think of the old Mercs. Love the paint and the flames on this. The gray and the black with the blue outline. Beautiful looking casting. It's probably one of my favorite tail draggers I've seen. Really, really fine looking casting. They have a purple and a blue one just like it. Yeah. Anyway guys, let's go to the next side, the driver's side, and we'll go to the next car. You guys are going to like this next one. Alright guys, the next one. Pontiac GSX. Love the yellow. Beautiful looking casting. Sure do like it. That's Johnny Lightning. I really like the Johnny Lightnings. They have so much detail. Yes, that's why they're a little more expensive. Okay, you guys looking at that? I got one last vehicle to clean up. Here, I've been doing it while you guys check out my cars on the turntable. I think you guys are going to like the last two a lot. Alright guys, one more time around. Let's go to the driver's side, and we'll go ahead and go to the next one. Alright guys, next one's a Chevrolet Chevette. It's like a pro comp car. It's not pro stock. Pro gas or something, you know, but it's really sweet. I love this casting. It's a Spectra Frost. It's from the cool ones. Really enjoyed this one a lot. Yeah, this one's a real fine casting. Really, sometimes I like just putting these cars up on a turntable, just watch them go around. They're just so awesome to look at. So I guess I enjoy doing this video all the time. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Next one. Oh, yeah, with this one is Ford Thunderbolt. That's what this is. Ford Thunderbolt. Todd, hope you're watching, buddy. I know you like the Ford Thunderbolts and the Ford Fairlanes, and whoops, I got a little mark there on top. But I know we love our muscle cars. We love showing them off. Never gets old. But sometimes I just like showing the same one, you know, like once a week or twice a week, just showing it off. I think I'm going to throw one in there tonight. You'll see, You'll like the last one. I love seeing it because I definitely, later on down the line, I definitely like to purchase another, I'll tell you guys later when I bring it up. Alright guys, go one more time around to the driver's side. Really a beautiful casting. I love the color of this too. It's like a 60s Pro stock from way back when. Alright guys, next one. You guys are going to like this one. Moon Eyes 8 crate. Oops, kind of tilting over a little bit. There we go. That's a little better. This one's a real nice casting. I like this one a lot. Love the yellow and the silver. This it's my favorite 8 crate, bar none. So beautiful. Alright guys, one more time around. We'll go to the next one. Alright guys. Next one, 56 Ford panel. I know some of you guys have this. I also have the one with the queen or whatever, hearts or diamond on the, this is way better looking. This looks more like to the real thing than that other one does. I don't think anybody's gonna paint their truck to make it look like a deck of cards. I'm one of those. There we go. This is a beautiful casting. I've had this one a very, very long time since it first came out. I just couldn't leave it. Got tired of looking at it in the package, so. And I'm the one that opens everything. I don't care if it's from the 60s, 70s, 80s. I don't care how valuable it is. I'm still going to open it up. But, you know, everybody's different. Alright, guys. Go around the driver's side. We'll go to the next one. Alright, guys. '60s Ford Econoline pickup. This one slammed, and I love this one a lot. So much detail and so real riders on it with the white walls. That's absolutely a gorgeous truck. Definitely one of my favorite trucks in my collection. Definitely. Love to have the real thing. Bear with me a minute, guys. Get my drink out of the refrigerator here. Thirsty. I wet my whistle, man. I got something coming up you guys are going to really, really like. I know you've seen this probably 100 times. I'll explain this to you once I get up there last. Be the last car of the night. I have one more before that. Alright, guys, let's go to the next one. Alright, guys, next one. A little story behind this next one. This is a '65 Chevelle Malibu. This car I had, this was my first car. It was yellow with the white top. It was two-door just like this. I missed that car. I have the license plate. I tell you what, I'd rather have the car. Beautiful, beautiful car. I miss having this car. Great cruising car. But mine was all original. Original rims, and interior was kind of messed up a little bit though. A lot of wear and tear. It was my grandmother's car and it got handed down to me. Alright, guys. One more full time around. We'll go to the last one of the night because we're on 18 minutes right now. Let's see if we can keep it under 20. Or maybe right at 20. Alright, guys. Next one. Alright, guys. Poison Pinot. Now, the reason I put this up there is I'm looking to get one like, you know, the original. I don't care how bad the paint is. I just want to get the green one and the chrome one. Really enjoy this casting a whole lot. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. I had one of these when I was little. I had the green and the chrome one. Just bringing this out, it's just great to look at. Has the old school wheels on it. It's got the Spectra Flame paint. It's like a candy apple red. It's got the Poison Ghost flames on it, Poison Pinot. Just beautiful casting. I really enjoy this one a lot. But anyway, guys, that's the last one of the night. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and subscribe if you will. And thank you guys, all of you guys that support my channel and comment all the time. I appreciate you guys. You guys are my brothers. This is what we do and this is what we love. So guys, have yourselves a good night. Be good to each other, be well, and I'll be talking to you guys real soon. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.